Okay, it's 11 p.m. and things are really picking up now. And the storm isn't supposed to be here until like 1 o'clock at its peak. So right now we got like, I'd say like sustaining maybe 40-50 mile per hour winds right now. I can't really get too much of a shot anywhere else except for here where that light is going. See if I can see what's going on a little closer. But yeah, it's definitely doing some work out there. Hear that wind howling. Okay, I think we just lost the lights. Yep, power just went out. Alright, well that kind of like ends the video shot anyway. Only thing you can see is lightning. Alright, well I'm going to have to cut off for now. See if I can get something later. Alright. See you later.